What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about our stocks setting up to move higher. So what we're looking at here is the daily time frame on the Triple Q's ETF. This is going to consist of the NASDAQ 100, all of the mega cap tech stocks. So with that being said, a little bit of a pullback today. Pretty much the Triple Q's are just right around flat. The futures are up 26 points, so nothing much. We made an initial push higher today. We've pulled back a little bit. One thing that I kind of do want to keep in mind here when we zoom out and we look at the daily time frame here, we are still holding this consolidation, this distribution phase. If we want to see stocks go higher, and we do want this 280 spot to be the bottom on the Triple Qs, we are going to need to see the Triple Qs get over 315. That is going to signify that we are going to start sort of a leg higher, right? Not going to say that it's the bottom, that we won't have pullbacks, but what it can do is give us a little bit of rally into that 330 zone. Now, if the Triple Qs can get into that 330 zone over 315, expect a lot of stocks to also get pulled up as well. Right now, the Triple Qs are above the 9 EMA on the daily time frame, as well as the 20 SMA, which is sitting at around $298.05. Now, where does this become invalid? Where do we start to tell ourselves maybe we're going back down? If we start to close below Friday's lows and Thursday's lows of around $303, I'm still going to keep this level on the chart. This 303 is going to be very, very significant. If we lose 303, the 298 is definitely going to be throwing stones away. So you're going to want to keep that in mind. As long as we're holding this trend here, and we have been holding this trend for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days since we reclaimed it back here on May the 26th. As long as we are holding this 9 EMA here on the daily time frame, we have to just continue to let the stocks wiggle around and do their thing. I understand that things can get a little bit choppy. You can get a little bit frustrated, especially if you're a day trader going long and then you get stopped out and you go short. Maybe you make some money and then stocks reverse. Understand where we're at on the daily picture, okay? The daily picture, anything over this 304.71 is bullish. Anything below $303 is bearish. Under 303, room to 298, and definitely anything under 298 could reattempt to start that down leg towards 280. I hope this video makes sense. I understand you're kind of looking at the chart and you're like, oh, you know, maybe not understanding. Well, well, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that if we get over 315, we can go higher. But you have to understand the significance of that. We have not been over 315 going all the way back here to the beginning of May. May 9th was when we lost the 315 zone, and that put on just about a month worth of selling. So a month worth of selling here, and then now we've had a little bit of a rally followed by a little bit of a consolidation. It's still too early to tell whether we're going to go higher or lower. That's why you have to take everything day by day with a grain of salt. Just understand that you're going to really want to be long, especially on your day trading bias over 315, and you're going to want to be a little bit more short biased if we start to lose Fridays and Thursdays lows of last week. Again, 304, 303, definitely the price targets you're going to want to keep your eyes on. Anything below 303, we're going to be very short biased, looking for stocks to kind of lose those previous day's lows, depending on the stock that you like to trade. With that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All of my info and contact stuff is down in the description box below. I'll see you guys all next time.